Today we're going to look at choosing headings. A choosing headings question will show a list of headings numbered with Roman numerals. Headings refer to main ideas in the paragraphs, and these must be matched with the paragraphs or sections of the text. There will always be more headings than there are paragraphs or sections, so that some headings will not be used. It is also possible that some paragraphs or sections may not be included in the task, so you have to pay attention to what's on the question paper. There are 4 parts to a choosing headings question: the instructions, the options, the questions, and the answers. This is what a normal choosing headings question looks like. There are instructions, a box with a list of options for headings, and questions beneath that. The instructions clearly lay out not only what you do, but what you have to write on the answer sheet. For a choosing headings question, you'll have to write Roman numerals on the answer sheet, not the words used in the title. Then you have the options. This is what a list of headings looks like. On the left-hand side, you can see the Roman numerals. These are what you will write on your answer sheet. The questions are stated very simply: a number followed by the word section or paragraph, then letters on the right-hand side designating which paragraph or section you have to look at. The answers to the questions are always put in boxes on the answer sheet. What you see is an example of what the answer sheet would look like, and the answer would be written just as you see. Let's practice. We are going to read a text together, then we will choose headings for that text. This is an example text about the boxer Muhammad Ali. We're going to read a section of it together. Not everyone agrees that Muhammad Ali was the greatest boxer of all time, but he certainly is the most famous. During his career, he won 3 heavyweight championships and 1 Olympic gold medal. However, he didn't just fight in the boxing ring. He was also concerned about issues such as racism, war, and poverty. Practice question 1. Here are the list of headings. 1. The greatest boxer of all time. 2. Muhammad Ali's life. 3. The most famous boxer of all time. And 4. Winning at the Olympics. Which of these titles is the correct title? In this case, 3 is the correct title, the most famous boxer of all time. It's important to note that while all 4 titles might be possible as titles, number 3 was the one that fit the information the best. Let's take a look at another sample section of the text. He was born in 1942 in the state of Kentucky in the United States. His parents named him Cassius Clay. His father, Cassius Clay Sr., worked as a sign painter. His mother was named Odessa and was a maid. Practice question 2. Here are the list of headings. 1. My name is Cassius. 2. Born with another name. 3. Muhammad's mom and dad. And 4. Humble beginnings. For this question, the answer is 2. Born with another name. Again, while several titles are possible as answers, 2 was the one that fit the best, which is why it was the correct answer. Let's do this one more time with another selection from the text. In 1964, Cassius Clay changed his name to Muhammad Ali. Many newspapers did not use his new name for several years. Perhaps they did not believe that this name change was permanent, but it was. By the time Muhammad Ali officially changed his religion to Islam in 1975, he was well known by his new name. Practice question 3. Here are the list of headings. 1. A permanent change. 2. Annoying the newspaper writers. 3. Converting to another religion. And 4. Living in 1975. The answer is 1. A permanent change. Again, while many of the titles would fit as titles for the paragraph, it was number 1 that fit the best, and that is the key thing you are looking for. Remember, there will be more headings than the number of paragraphs. Sometimes more than one heading will appear to match, so you have to look for the heading that fits the best.